Hi guys, I'm Nico. Welcome to our channel, and this is my old collections of planes. Let's start off with Turkish Airlines. This Turkish Airlines from Singapore and something else, I don't know. But this is Airbus A330, but you cannot see, it's really small. But this is Airbus A320. So they made by mistake. So this is like Airbus A320. Let's go through this. This is like a fighter jet. This is like a fighter jet, but I put something like marker on it to be to be realistic. And we start to hear this another fighter jet. This came from Brazil, but a little bit dusty on the wings, and there is some weapons, and then it falls down because this is really old, last year. So it can be you can see this can open. This a little man. And we go to another plane. This is a glider. You can see that. We can throw it here. It can glide. Except no engines, but no sound, no engines, just only a glider. Next is KLM. This is Boeing 787-8, and so this is like from Egypt, and I don't know what is this, and it's a Flying Dutchman, and it's really cool. This the wing, 2 wings, engine, and reverse throttle, and body of the plane, and rudders, and elevators, and everything in there. And we go through the stands of these stands. So this is really amazing. Japan Airlines. So Japan Airlines, some of the vloggers, they vlog with this. So I'm gonna vlog it. It has like really amazing things. It can put inside of these wheels and make a sound. Really nice sound. Really good sound. So this is a Boeing 787-8, like the same as this KLM. When you put this down, you put like down with your thumbs, and then you put it some fingers like this or this like that. So we put it into this stand. It's really hard to put it in this stand. So this is British Airways. Boeing 787 as this and this. So this is like a little bit familiar with me. It can have like these wings can put like here, even this. But it's really hard. If you buy this, it will be so hard with a rudder. And we put it inside little bit hardly. So this is the engines here. This is the Boeing, and then this is for a luggage. If you don't know, a luggage means a luggage kinda like a bag, no? A bag. So we go to a next thing, the next plane. Yeah, it's really hard. Qatar Airways. It's a good airplane. If you go here, it's really relaxing. We've been this A380, but this is A380. It's really 4 engines and max speed. This is really hard to put inside. Okay, nice. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 doors in this Qatar Airways. And then the final is Lufthansa. It's really realistic. Next is Lufthansa. Lufthansa is really nice airplane, and then it has that same thing as Qatar Airways, and then it has a little bird in the rudder, and it's really nice, and temporary glass here, and then thank you for, and then this Lufthansa is really nice. Qatar Airways, British Airways, Japan Airlines, KLM Airlines, Glider, and then this fighter jet, and this Swiss 001. It is like some YouTubers, this Swiss 001, I didn't explain yet. This Swiss 001 is like, it has 3 engines, and then this, and the doors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 doors. Swiss 001 has like a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber. So thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Bye!